Ingersoll Machine Tools builds some of the coolest products that you'll ever encounter in a manufacturing environment. And it takes special people to be able to do that. And one of the things that I always talk about is that our employees will never get bored. They're always going to come in one day and do something, and the next day they're going to be doing something different, something that's still very cool. They can be working on parts, for NASA that are going to go on the Orion spacecraft. They're going to take humans to Mars, and the next day they're working on a wing skin for the F-35 for Lockheed, for the defense of our nation. We work with all commercial aerospace. We work with NASA. It's really about the people, because it takes somebody special to be able to adapt to that really fast-moving, changing environment. You're not going to do the same thing every day. You're going to be challenged every single day that you walk through the doors, and our people respond to that. The people that come in here and thrive are the ones that love that challenge of how are we going to take it to the next level. And we've got the best engineering talent, the best technicians that I've ever been around in the 30 years that I've been in the manufacturing world.
I've been with Ingersoll for nearly 5 years. Got brought in the composites division, designing these large machines, mainly the large fire replacement machines. Shortly after I got here, I was brought into a product launch meeting with the then CEO and told to figure out how to start printing in large scale. And since then, I've been on the additive side. I actually helped design the 3D printer, the master print that is out in the shop. And since then, I've been leading the team that runs and operates that machine. So previously, with large scale, for our industry, tooling, large scale tooling, it would take months, if not a year or more, to make these very large tools. For production, for prototyping, it would still take months and months for a prototype tool. With a machine like this, we can print and mill a tool, whether it be a production or a rapid tool, in a matter of weeks. So shaving that lead time down while also saving money as well. Specifically with master print, with our ability to print at a 45-degree angle, we're able to print geometries and parts that other machines previously were not able to print. Print them hollow, which saves a lot of material and money, as well as being able to print them faster. We're also, with this machine, able to print, say, a prototype tool that a customer could then test their capabilities on while they're waiting for their longer lead time tool, which would then shorten from development to launch of a said product.
The thing that really interests me and that I think could really transform what we are as a company is getting more and more into the telescope world. These are big projects that are super exciting and can last a long, long time. And we're just at the forefront of that. We've built one telescope that was installed in Hawaii recently, and that led us to the next telescope project that we're currently involved in. But I can see that that's a space that we can really blossom in, and we can really grow this business. And it could really change, what Ingersoll is thought of, as opposed to we're still going to be a traditional machine tool manufacturer, but people are going to get to know us in the telescope world as well.
For the people in the area, it's quite easy to get a perspective of it, because if everybody knows in the area the Tabala Towers, the Faust Hotel. Okay, so if you can imagine the telescope in its enclosure, it's about as tall as the Faust Hotel is, and there's a rendering of it next to the Faust Hotel. So to get wrap your arms around the total size of this, or it's almost as tall as the space shuttle. So as far as the immensity and as far as the power, it's 10 times more magnification than the Hubble telescope. So it gives you just a perspective of how powerful and how large these pieces are.
What keeps us here in Rockford is the people. I mean, when we need to hire people, we know that there's a great talent pool right here. We've got great support from the city. It's a partnership. We're just about to launch building 2 new buildings here on the campus, and the city worked with us to get the right permits and approvals, And so we know that we've got good relationships, deep relationships, long-standing ties that allow us to succeed.
I think everyone here is unique, definitely. We try to search for candidates that will be successful and help the company be successful, right? So a lot of people that we interview, we like to make sure that they have a great personality, for one, have the skills that we require to be able to perform the jobs, and also, able to work with a team as a team and help our company grow.
We're so excited to have been selected as the Manufacturer of the Year by the Rockford Chamber of Commerce, and we just wanted to say thank you to the Chamber for reading through our application and knowing that it stood out to you. That's really a good feeling for us. It's really about our people. The team, the talent that we've got here at Ingersoll is just beyond question, and every single person in our company has contributed to our ability to win such an award like this. So I want to say thank you to my team. They do a great job day in and day out, and we just couldn't get it done without every single person pulling in the same direction, and that's really what we do every day. Thank you.